Hello everyone, I am Meechie, owner of Headlines by DeFranco Salon, Barbers by DeFranco Barbershop, and Posh Collection Hair and Cosmetics. Today I will be demonstrating how to add hair extensions to a short haircut to create volume and versatility. Be sure to follow me on my channel, MadAboutMeechie, as well as follow me on IG at MadAboutMeechie to get all the details on my latest videos. Let's get into it. Okay, so here we have our model. What I've already done is molded her down, and she sat under the dryer for about 20 to 25 minutes. Since we're going to be doing a style that's going to have some volume at the top, you don't have to mold the top of the hair down. You can just kind of like let it lay kind of free, but you want to make sure your sides and back are molded down completely flat. So what I'm going to do is just go in and part her hair into sections to add the tracks. And each track is only going to be maybe about 2.5 to 3 inches long. Now, you know, I would tell you guys to use your Posh Collection hair, but I don't want you to waste it by cutting it in such small pieces. So what you can do is just go to your nearby beauty supply store and purchase just some 100% human hair, something that you don't mind throwing away once you're done with the style. And we're just going to go in and glue in each section, putting the tracks very close together to add fullness. And if you want to, you can always go in and add a piece of color just to give it a little personality and make it a little edgy. So I'm going to go in with just a little small piece of platinum blonde. Okay, so my model is all tracked up, and as you can see, I put her tracks very close together so we can have a nice full look on the top. And what I'm going to do now is just begin cutting her using a razor. What I like to do before cutting the client's hair is to kind of play around with it just to make sure I'm giving them a cut that fits their face. You don't want to start off cutting too short, because if you cut too short and it doesn't fit their face, then it'll be kind of complicated to add more tracks in. So what you want to do is just start off with a longer cut, and then if you can just go in and cut off more hair just to make it shorter. So what I'm going to actually do is just cut her hair with a razor. I'm going to leave a little bit of length on the top because I want something kind of soft and spiky. I don't want anything really high. So I'm going to use a razor because I like the edginess that the razor gives versus using a pair of shears, which will give you a more blunt look, which is what I don't want. Always remember when cutting the hair to make sure you cut it a little bit longer. The client's natural hair is in between the tracks, so you want to make sure that you're not cutting their hair. Okay, so we're finished with our haircut. Now what I'm going to do is just actually go in with a medium-sized flat iron, and we're going to go in and just do a few loose curls, and we'll be all set. Here we have our finished look. What I basically did was added the extensions to the top of her hair. I went in with the razor to give it a nice cut, and then I went in with the flat irons to create a soft short look. Remember to follow me on IG at MadAboutMeechie for more details on upcoming videos, and be sure to visit I Love Posh Collection for all your hair and beauty needs.